See, dogs are way too, I guess codependent is the word, you know? You come home, right? You know what I'm talking about. You come home and there's like, you've been gone very long. Everything was black when you were not here. Why do you leave me? Could you just pet me? Just a little? I love you. Which is weird, right? And that's the way most dogs are, right? But cats are like, you come inside a cat, and the cat, like, just stops what it's doing long enough to see that the disturbance has entered the room, and goes back to, like, lifting the leg straight up and licking the asshole. I'm a clean kitty. Yes, I am. Does anyone have a napkin here? Ah, that's gross. You know how people say cats are clean animals? I guess they'd say it about us if we could lick our butthole too. Yeah. Yes. So, but there's always the exception to every rule. You have what's called the overly affectionate cat, who does something like this. I was weaned too early. There's no amount of abuse you could ever do that would make me stop wanting your affection. I'm going to make biscuits. And look at you with big weird eyes. While spittle goes on my lips.